Kai, what you cooking?
LV made this.
Usiqobana imfempu sokhwele elevator ndiye top anzocotha cause amfunyanwa ngai-drop 2 incela ityani ipholile I know I gotta drop vele ndibhidwe zibras evele zinxibilok they be calling me captain cause I be shipping girls up eyardini jiki funa imali yamanapkin ngoku ndisekakini shit they be calling me captain cause I be shipping girls up eyardini jiki funa imali yamanapkin ngoku ndisekakini ngoku ndisekakini ngoku ndisekakini Ekusenize bras tena ekafani lawe iziphethe fana athani ngomadoda kanjani yena izenzayo ingathi nayalelo moyeni hlekisilepheni yenye indona idala efani kanjani ekuseni vile umthithu athatha njalo lenza kule industry ekuse umthithu uthini zidala bright encinga ndiyazi ayibo uzeli mathithu kutheni iziphetho kwamankazana indlela enenza ngayo izinto ngosenqala unganqondi umthithu real in front of you behind your back uphula ngayikovu yexa funa icherry yam singena ngegama lam tena nochilo ithi isicamka sakho swift uze-sign
Haya basulu Bangazama ukuntesela phansi Haya basulu Abazulu
I'm a G, I need a weapon, spitting fire like the dragon. Music head, I'm the lion, different flows when you're riding. Mercedes Benz is what I see them, posting mountains like the Zion. Now them niggas kinda hating, anytime I land my Kelly. Ungabuza nabo mailing, funu bangu monga meli. Hey, I just wanna go to States. Hey, I just wanna go to States. Haya bazulu. Hey, bangazama ukuntensela phansi. Haya bazulu. Hey, baphinde bakhulume kabi. Still abazulu. Abazulu. Abazulunga.
Haya basulu